it warms up. That sounds fucking really good.
Hey John, I see a cool air intake. It's got NOS fogger, T4 turbo,
Yeah.
and a standalone management fuel system. Folks, and welcome back to Piston Junkies 302. It's been a while actually. It's been since the fireworks full send. I didn't have much time because the car was pretty much stuck everywhere. But now I'm very happy today. It is really nice outside. Well, nice. It's raining, but see, snow's almost gone. It's freaking awesome. So, without further ado, let's go give her a little start. She didn't start for like a day, so she's kind of burpy. But anyways, we're going to see your favorite man, the mad scientist. Let's go. It's so nice to have traction again. As you can see, snow's almost gone. For how long, I don't know, but it's been raining a lot. And now I can do this. You can also hear the burbles when you downshift. I love it. So now we can do something that's been a while I haven't done. Well, it's time to stop for fuel. All that effing around, because she is thirsty. All right, we are all fueled up, so let's go to Pete's without further ado, and we'll see you there. Well, some of you may recognize this spot, and Tony's here, actually. Tony. Big Mama right there. What the hell, Tony? What the hell? Oh, let's see what they're up to inside. Hola, Peter.
Hey,
hello. How's it going, John?
Great, actually.
Great?
Can't believe it.
Camera's there, so I hope you don't mind.
Oh no.
Hello, Tony. What's going on there, Peter? Hello.
Hey, buddy.
Miss you.
Miss you too, man.
I have a face made for radio.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
Well, we got the long tubes in. Well, they got the long tubes in. I haven't done shit.
Ooh. Cool.
You welded a bung.
I welded a bung.
Yeah?
Yeah, I put a bung in the pipe.
Nice. Mad scientist, hello. Oh my god. You still preoccupied on that or what?
I'm just fascinated that it went so good.
Because I texted you and you said we were doing the
Long tubes.
Yeah, and by the time I came here,
The long tubes are on the truck. Yeah. I think Tony's right though, because I didn't touch anything.
imagine if the truck was that high, man, it'd be awesome.
It's not far off.
I know.
Like, I mean, we only have to pick it up this high off the ground to work on it. I can't even see the engine when I stand up.
Yeah,
I can't touch the valve cover. Can't check the oil. Can't reach the tip.
But I need to check the oil.
Yeah, so you're out of luck.
Yeah. SOL.
You got race cars here. Race car. Not so much. Tony's race car. Won't start actually. What happened, Tony? Why do your car doesn't start?
Because I broke it.
Oh, this piece right here.
Yeah. The crank position sensor, which this guy called before he saw the car.
Race car is dead.
Yeah, let's go. Put everything back. Drive around for another 60,000.
Drive around until you get it glowing hot. Come back and we'll try it.
We'll get her stuck in a mud pit.
Yeah.
We'll drag you out with the Mustang.
No, we did that last time.
Yeah, I already had to tow the Mustang enough this month. Possibly hard on the car because there's no tow hooks on a fucking Mustang, so
What did you put it on?
the lower control arm, which I hooked to the front of the Escalade. Why I drove in reverse the whole way back 2 blocks, I don't know.
Because you didn't bring your tow hook.
Seemed like a good idea at the time.
Yeah, but there's no noise coming out the suspension now,
There
so it's
isn't
good.
though, so it's good. I didn't break it.
You did a great job there, Peter.
Well, I can hold up here and you can hold back there. You hold it.
I've got my hand right there. Just don't touch the glove. And I do have welding gloves. You can put it on. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, John. I see a cool air intake. It's got NOS fogger, T4 turbo, and a standalone management fuel system. Not a bad way to spend a few $100.
Overnight cards from eBay.
That's why I said a few $100.
Yeah. Drones now. I want to do that just to have a drone and see if I can steal it.
No, we're gonna put Chewy on the drone and make him fly.
Why do you want to terrorize my dog more than he already is? He's already fucked up. That's the carbon fiber.
Race boy here. What's going on?
Just a straight
What are you
black
showing the
track,
boys
yeah.
here?
You can have it. It's in my backyard.
Is that what Peter
I
made?
won't say no.
Yeah,
Might as well.
works pretty good. Makes a nice little droop sound sometimes.
Doop. Doop.
I was thinking about getting one, bringing it down into my bumper.
And
then getting one of those
then when in torrential rain
Yeah, then I'm
you
fucked.
can like.
So do you want to go to Canadian Tire with me, or no?
Yeah.
It's like no, I don't want to.
Let's get someone to.
The hell are you doing, Dylan? As soon as you shut the hood,
Can we try that again?
Volkswagen,
I'm curious.
Volkswagen owner here.
Shut the hood.
Off the hood, shut the door, lock the doors.
As soon as you
Look at his
Lock the
face.
door.
Oh wait, I gotta.
You gotta open the hood first and then lock the door?
I think so. Well, it locks on its own, right? So
Just go.
Yeah, we gotta wait the same
Okay.
amount of time.
it's locked now.
Okay.
Okay, but what use is it when it shuts the hood?
It's never gonna
Yes, go fuck.
I could buy car parts now.
You won $3?
$3, yeah, price of the ticket.
Yeah.
It's go time.
I'll open it all the way. Are the O2's all plugged in?
Yep.
The wires aren't touching pipes?
Maybe.
Send it.
It's gonna either sound cool or not. That's much better than it was. One more time? I let it idle for a little bit so it warms up. That sounds fucking really good.
Success? Well, that was it for the day, folks. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have done so already. And we'll see you next time on Piston Junkies 302.